Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we will look at another important process in the microseismic data processing workflow. This is the process of identifying or picking the onsets of P and S wave arrivals on the waveform records of detected events. This is an important step as these picked arrival times are used in the calibration of the velocity model, in the process of determining hypocenter locations, in polarization analysis that is performed to determine receiver orientations and also for the back azimuth calculations. And these arrival times are also used in the process of finding moment tensor solutions from the event data. Like event detection, we can look at the waveforms and manually pick P and S wave arrival times, but it is a time-consuming process and it can also be potentially affected by the subjectivity bias. Let's look at an example where we have so many microseismic events. Although I don't know the exact number of microseismic events in this figure, but let's say we have 1000 events. The number of detected events can be much higher than this in some projects. Let's also assume we are using a tool with 12 receiver levels. Again, there are tools that can support large receiver levels, and especially with DAS deployments, we have more levels to pick. Then we also pick for both P and S wave arrivals. Even with these numbers, we have to pick around 24,000 arrival times, which is certainly tedious. And when the projects get bigger, multiple analysts pick arrival times, which make ensuring consistent picking more difficult. Therefore, auto pickers are typically used as they are fast and are less affected by the subjectivity bias. Among common pickers, there is Akaike Information Criterion or AIC picker, which is based on autoregressive modeling concepts. This example shows picking using AIC picker. We see two arrivals and we can identify these as local minima on AIC curve. There is also correlation picker, which is based on waveform similarity, and we can also use higher order statistics based pickers. And finally, like we saw in the event detection process, recently we have seen a large number of pickers based on machine learning or deep learning techniques. Again, please share in the comment section which methods you use in your projects and what are common challenges you encounter during arrival picking. Please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.